This is my new video series named Researchers Toolkit, where I'll be sharing with you some videos, ideas on what kind of tools that would be very helpful for you in the research activities. This is the first video. The video name is Shadow Boxing Questions Before Research. So, in this video, we look into top 10 questions we should ask ourselves before jumping into any research activities. So, let's go to the next slide. So, this is the first five questions. So the question number one is research questions, which means that always make sure that you know what is the specific research questions or problem that I want to address. It is helpful because it can help us define the purpose and scope of research and ensure the clarity and focus. Second one, relevancy. Why is this research important or relevant in a broader context? In order to establish the significance of the study and know the potential impact. Existing knowledge. This what we call literature review. So we should be knowing what is the literature review about this topic, as it can help us reduce duplications and understand the gap in exploration area. The methodologies. What research methodologies or approach will be used to gather data? If we know this information, then it can help us to make better research design, and data collection would also be very, very effective. And the fifth question is target audience. Who is the target audience? Who would be my readers, or whom I will be giving my information to? So it can help us. If we know the answer to this question, it can help us guide the writing style or detailing of our research. Sixth question is ethical consideration. We need to know this because it is where the protection and well-being of research things come on. Also, integrity and credibility of a researcher. Resources. What resources such as time, funding, expertise are needed? It can help us to understand the realistic project planning and budget, as well as necessary support and collaborations. Potential challenges. This is also quite important because if we know what are the anticipated challenges in conducting this research, it can help us ensure proactive problem risk management, also understand the limitations from our side. Feasibility. How feasible is the topic? Because our time and budget are always constrained. So we need to know the practicality of the research, also the expectations and then achievable goals. And last one is timeline. What is the proposed timeline for completing different phase of research? Because research has a multiple steps, multiple phases, and then when we know the timeline, it is very easy to have a structured planning of the research. It also helps in monitoring and evaluating the work. Again, let's go quickly skim this all questions. What are the questions? Is it relevant or not? What is already known of the topic? What method are we following in the research? Who are our target audience? What are the ethical considerations that need to be addressed? Resources. What research do I have at the moment? What could be the future potential challenges during the research? How feasible is this research topic? And last one is timeline. What is the proposed timeline? Once we have answer to all this, it will give us confidence, and it will give us more understanding in depth of the topic, and then it is a cakewalk. So these are not the only questions. These are not comprehensive, but I think for a researcher like me or you, these questions are quite important. Yeah, I hope this helps you.